Hi dear students, welcome to my channel Maths with Panindra. In this video we are going to discuss limits, JMNs, MSET and BSET type questions. We are going to discuss in this session. Let us have a discussion. The first question. Limit extends to infinity x into log x minus log of x minus 2, x plus 2. So options are minus 1, minus 3, minus 12 and 2, minus 2. So to evaluate these type of problems, if we substitute directly x is equal to infinity, indeterminate form will come. So whenever it is coming indeterminate form, first you have to making into this form. Limit extends to infinity x into, the bracket value is of the form log a minus log b. Log a minus log b is log a by b formula. So log x divided by x plus 2. So now in the previous problem also we discussed, as n tends to infinity, n square into cos 1 minus cos of 1 by n, like this it will be there. So that type of problem, same type of problem. Here also take x is equal to 1 by t. So t value will becomes obviously 1 by x. So wherever x is there, you have to replace with 1 by t. As x tends to infinity, t tends to 0. That is important one. X tends to infinity, t tends to, t is equal to 1 by x, 1 by infinity. Anything by infinity is 0. So wherever x tends to infinity is there, you have to replace with t tends to 0. And wherever x is there, you have to replace with 1 by t. So limit t tends to 0, 1 by t into log of, in place of x, 1 by t, 1 by t plus 2. So now simplification. Limit t tends to 0, 1 by t into log of, take that LCM and simplification. So here after taking LCM, direct step I am writing. Here t get cancelled. Anyway, 1 by 1 plus 2t will come. Log of 1 by x can be written as minus log x. Similarly, limit t tends to 0, 1 by t. This can be written as minus of log of 1 plus 2t by using this formula, logarithm formula. So we have minus, we can take outside. Limit t tends to 0, log of 1 plus 2t divided by t, minus is there outside. We have standard formula here. Here I am writing that formula. Which formula we are going to apply now? We have limit x tends to 0, log of 1 plus ax divided by x is equal to a. So by using this formula, so which is equal to minus this bracket value, what is a here in this 2? So the answer is minus 2. Therefore, conclusion step, limit in the JMN's conclusion step is not required, but according to our convenience we are writing limit extends to infinity x into log x minus log of 2 plus x or x plus 2 is equal to minus 2, which is there in the fourth option. Just I will show that answer. We will move to the next question. I hope everyone completed. Another question, limit extends to infinity a power x into sine of b by a power x is a good question, where a is greater than 1. The options are first option A, second option B, third option A power B, fourth option B power A. It's a very good question conceptually. First you have to write given limit. Limit extends to infinity a power x sine of b by a power x. By observing a power x is the term which is in the numerator right now. So can we write as denominator of a denominator? We can. Limit extends to infinity sine of b by a power x divided by 1 by a power x. Here we need to discuss the terminology. As x tends to infinity, 1 by x tends to 0. As 1 by x tends to 0, 1 by a power x tends to also 0. So in the next step what I am going to write is limit x tends to infinity, meaning is 1 by a power x, no? So 1 by a power x tends to 0 sine of b into 1 by a power x, both the meaning is same. Sine of b by a power x is meaning is sine of b by a power x whole divided by 1 by a power x, which is in the form of, we have the formula limit x tends to 0 sine ax divided by x is equal to a. In place of a, what value is there here? B is there. Just for your understanding and writing. So here B is there. So the above value will becomes limit 1 by a power x tends to 0 sine of b into 1 by a power x divided by 1 by a power x is equal to b. By using the above formula, wherever a is there, b is there here. So the answer is B. So B is there in the second option. Thank you dear students for watching my channel. Please do subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you all. Signing off, Maths with Panindra.